Guys, welcome back to another episode of Talk Automotive, the channel from a car lover to car lovers. Today we're heading to Mini Bitz in Macclesfield to film with those guys. We're going to be looking at their R56, their F56, as well as the site they've got there, the modifications they've done to the car, and then we're going to hit the road and go to a famous pub called the Cat and Fiddle through the Buxton Hills. Very famous motorbike road, great driving road. Unfortunately now it has 50-mile-an-hour average speed cameras, but let's get there, let's see the cars, and I'll catch up with you very soon. So we're down here at with Mini Bitz at Lime Green Car Sales, checking out their minis. So what we'll do, we'll have a look around the cars now, talk through the modifications, get out for a drive, some cool drive-bys, and then we'll talk about their big event that's coming up called Minivation in October, and me and Lea will talk through that. So stay tuned, enjoy the video, and I'll catch you soon. This is Lauren's R56, and as you can see, definitely not standard. So Lauren, just talk us through what you've done with the front of the car here.
Right, so 4D plates, carbon light surrounds. I've gone with the LCI black badges, I just thought it'd be a bit different.
Yeah, very nice.
Matte black belt line, I've got LCI side scuttles, I went with all the B10 alloys. They just suit the Mini really well. We had them on our last R56, but we had them in like polished. These come up for sale, and Lea was like, "Oh, let's just buy them." So I wasn't sure because of the roof being red, but I think they can match like quite well.
Perfect. No, I think they set the car up really, really well.
Yeah.
And then working back, obviously we got the Mini Bitz sticker that you can definitely buy on the website. And then talk us through the spoiler you've got on this, because it's a bit unique.
So we have this spoiler manufactured in China. It is similar to the dual AG wing that they do. It is full carbon fibre, and it just literally mounts onto your factory mounting points. You don't have to buy a Cooper or a One spoiler, you don't have to do any drilling, it just literally bolts on and fits dead easy, and it gives a really different look.
Yeah, it's really, really cool. And like you say, the fact that it just bolts on means that anyone can put it on.
It's dead easy to fit.
As long as you know how to hold a screwdriver and a spanner, you'll be alright. Yeah. The other mod that she's done to this car is quite a cool one. So obviously there's been quite a lot of work on the Union Jack side, and on this car she's got the Union Jack tail lights. Is this something you stock at Mini Bitz?
Yeah.
So yeah, you guys, what I'll do is I'll drop a link in the description. So do you do them for all gens now?
Except for generation 1.
Right, okay. So Gen 2 and 3 minis.
Eventually.
Yeah.
But yeah. So there's two different types with Gen 2. So there's this one's the LCI, so the reverse light is actually in the bumper, whereas on the older ones it is actually in the I can't think of the word.
It's okay.
Tail light.
In the tail light, yeah.
So there's two different types, LCI and non-LCI, but they're both the same.
Epic. So onto the coupe then. So now this is a bit special looking. I'll say it's probably one of my favourite coupes I've seen. So you can see it here. It is pretty epic, and let me tell you, it's definitely low. There isn't much wheel gap in the arch there, so yeah, really, really good. So talk us through the coupe then, Lauren.
Right, so the coupe has got the Active Speed scoop, which sets it off a bit different on the front bumper.
Yeah, it's like you could lose a hand in that.
Yeah. This one's got the badge covers on and the red badge replacement, so the badge has got the red centre.
Nice.
This one we've kind of gone with all the carbon look wrapping kits that we sell. So literally the grille, the light surrounds, everything in carbon.
Yeah.
Also the spotlight covers we do as well to cover these up to give it the blackout look.
Yeah, they're really cool. Ace. Anything under the bonnet with this one?
Not really, this one. This one just chills at work, to be fair. It's not really, it's only really got a Scorpion decal and that's it.
Okay. Make it loud.
Yeah,
Good.
so it's a bit more louder and pops and bangs, but
Nice.
Engine mod is pretty standard.
So it's a pretty standard coupe, but a very, very good looking coupe. And like you say, these alloys, they're JCW ones, but ones that I've not seen before, and I think they look really, really nice.
I've been painted, Wooly painted them. They're like black, and then they finished with like a red metallic that comes on new Range Rovers, so in different lights they do change colour.
No, they're definitely one to look at. And then I noticed on the back here, you've got a pretty big rear diffuser on this.
Yeah, this one's got the GP diffuser. We used to have all the challenge diffusers, but we've got GP ones at the moment. I just find they look quite OEM.
Yeah, no, I think they're really nice. Thanks to Lauren for talking us through the R56 and the coupe. We're now with Lee at Mini Bitz to talk through his two F56s. One he's selling and the other is going to be a proper project, but he's done quite a lot of work to this, so we'll talk through this now. Yes, Lee, so just start with the front of it really. What have you done?
Full chrome kit, obviously. These are all add-on bits, so obviously the grille and stuff. I know people say that you can get genuine for the same price, but you can't fit a genuine so quickly.
Yeah,
so that's why we chose to go with that sort of thing. Same with the headlight rings as well. Yeah, it just transforms it really, the front end, like you say. It's just... So on this one we went with the carbon badges purely because we had them and we needed to demo them, so they're really nice.
Yeah, lovely those carbon badges.
Yeah. And then obviously you go around, you can see it is quite standard.
Yeah, full belt line now.
Done the belt line, which I did again in matte. I just think it looks very OEM.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Handles. So we get round to the back, so there we go.
Showpiece. Look at the back.
Yeah,
look at
so
these.
The lights, very nice. These are, there's two sets of these basically what you can buy. We went for the ones with the black inners there because we think the finish on them is a lot nicer.
Yeah.
Like I say, they do another set that's got a chrome inside there, but again, we tried to kill all chrome, so we went.
Hence the website.
Yeah, we killed that option.
Yeah, they're lovely.
Back diffuser again. Not the pro diffuser, but it was a cheap mod. Got this one online for about 70 quid. It does make a good difference. So.
No, it's lovely that. And dogs in vlogs as well, so that's always good. No, it's lovely that. And then this is probably my favourite piece.
Yeah, so that looks well, especially in the sun. Like I say, you go for it. It's not that much more expensive than your black ones, so it is sometimes, depending on what colour and what car. On the grey looks really well.
Yeah. So it's genuine carbon, isn't it?
Yeah, genuine carbon, yeah.
So there we are, guys. So really easy mods that you can make to an F56 to make it look completely different. Like the stock with all the chrome on it looks completely different to that. And like you say, I've never seen the matte belt line before. I've got gloss on mine. I think that looks really nice. So yeah, that car's unfortunately gone.
There's a few bits inside as well.
Oh yeah, let's have a go on. Let's have a look on the inside.
This is what we did with these. So basically you've got all the carbon add-ons. So you've got your iDrive, your centre console, your steering wheel controls, speaker rings, electric window switches are all in carbon.
Yeah, they're really nice. This one's a really interesting colour match actually. So it's like a satin black. Is it satin black or metallic black?
Just flat black.
Flat black, yeah. It's got a little bit of sparkle, hasn't it? But and then this amazing sort of like electric green, lime green colour, isn't it? It goes quite well with the name of the garage as well, so that's good. So Lee, talk about
this one came about. Basically, the girl that owned the car, she bought all the D-Chrome kit off us. So obviously she came up, they're only local, so they came up, bought all the D-Chrome, we got to know them a little bit, like I say, and then she's obviously had it wrapped. Sort of 4 or 5 months down the line, she's decided she's going to get an AMG, so there we go, that's how I come across it.
Nice. So what's the plan with this one then? What would you like to do to it?
This one, there's a bit of an odd story with this, but like I say, the grey one's still under manufacturer's warranty and all the rest of it, so that's going to stay. No performance mods whatsoever, because like I say, it keeps the warranty. This one's just out of warranty and has already been mapped, so it's running just shy of 300 horse and 400 newton meters of torque, so it really does make it.
Yeah, I bet it does.
It's got an induction kit on it, and obviously tomorrow it's booked in for its exhaust, so we'll get a bit of noise out of it tomorrow as well.
Lovely. And then you're going to do anything with the height? You're going to drop it? Or?
So we've got a set of wheels which are in the pipeline at the minute. So we're going to
stay tuned for them on the
Mini Bitz. So we're just about to do them. Obviously we're going to ditch the run flats and stuff and make it handle a little bit better, and then look at doing some suspension mods on it.
Yeah.
I've not quite decided yet whether to go full coilovers or just springs, but we're just going to do a bit of research on that one.
No, epic. Well, thanks so much to the guys at Mini Bitz for showing us their cars. As we just noticed, Lauren just pointed out actually, we've got a full JCW run. So every single car is a JCW, so that's pretty epic. So what we'll do now, we'll go out, head up some, pretty well-known roads where we are here. We're going to jump in the car with Lauren first, then with Lee on the way back, talk about their upcoming events. They've got a really good charity event coming up as well, so we need to talk a lot about that. And yeah, get some clips of these cars actually moving. Oh, look at you, know you're on camera.
Ryan Little.
Hope you enjoyed that, guys. Some epic driving them from Lea and Lauren in their cars. Really, really impressive, and I nearly got run over by a lorry, so I hope you appreciate the content. Just heading back with Lea now to Lime Green Car Sales, and I wanted to let you guys know about an event that the Mini Bitz guys are running called Minivation. It's in October of this year. It's for the Veterans Garage, and Lee's just going to tell you a bit more about the event and yeah, how you can get tickets and stuff.
So basically we've set up this, we've got obviously in the north, we're Manchester based, so there's not a lot of mini shows up this area, and we thought, why not? There's enough content, you know, enough people to come. So the last two runs we've done, the second run we were near on 100 cars, and obviously for a run out it is hard to organise keeping 100 cars together and this, that and the other. It's an absolute nightmare, but it always works out. So we thought, why not? We'll have an static meet, and that's obviously progressed to let's have a show. We've had loads of people interested. The venue is absolutely spot on. Like I say, it's at an airfield, so you've got helicopters coming in, planes, light aircraft and stuff like that on the day. They'll all be still running, so that's brilliant as well. So there'll all be something to do. They've got full facilities, big cafe, toilets, etc. So should be a good day. Like I say, we've had quite a few people now contact us regarding, you know, stands and stuff like that. Because we've done it at so short notice, because we didn't realise how big it was going to take off for the runs and stuff. We're just trialling everything at the minute, so if anyone does want to join in, obviously we're going to have club stands. We've got, you know, 6 or 7 clubs already that have committed to come in, and then obviously we're getting more and more emails each day as more and more people find out. Like I say, it is short because it's only a couple of months away, but we thought, right, let's do it, let's have a show, and we can pre-trial this one for everything that's going to happen to this one. Obviously is then going to run on to next year, so if you've got any input or you want to add to it, you should do this, then give us a shout. We're open, we're beginning like you are, so obviously we want to know what you want. It doesn't matter what we want to turn up and see all you guys happy. So like I say, got any input, give us a shout.
And the best thing about it all, guys, is all the proceeds go into the Veterans Garage, aren't they?
Yeah, so the Veterans Garage, basically ex-veterans, they've set up this, they set it up a few years ago now. They've been running, you know, quite a while, and they do basically support for ex-veterans. So they do, you know, all sorts of different things within the Veterans Garage to support ex-veterans. So whether it comes to counselling support, anything like that, they do that. We initially went there, as anyone does running a business, to, you know, think, oh, how can we make this profitable for ourselves?
Yeah.
Speaking to the two guys there, they're absolutely spot on. They've got everything sorted. They're really nice guys, and they do all their work for charity. So we've now sort of backtracked and said, no, all proceeds will go to you. So any entrance fees, we're only charging £5 to get in.
Really cheap, that.
Really cheap, like I say. But everything will go to the Veterans Garage to support what they do. Hopefully in respect to that, next year when we organise another meet there, another show, It'll be bigger, better, and it's just going to, you know, get better each year.
No, fantastic. Well, guys, what I'll do is I'll drop a link in the description to the Facebook page for Minivation. Check it out, buy tickets, donate stuff, because like I say, everything's going to charity. We wouldn't be able to do what we do today without veterans, and you know, the people that serve the country deserve everything. So for me, I'm going to, you know, do anything I can to help. They're running a raffle as well, so if you're, you know, anyone's got anything they want to donate, please do. Just contact Lee or Lauren on the Minivation Facebook page, and definitely buy tickets. October, what's the official date?
I think it's October the 3rd.
October the 3rd. I'll double check that with Lauren in a sec, but October the 3rd, make sure you're free. It's going to be a yearly event, and if this one's a success, it's going to be one of many. So thanks very much for Lee and Lauren for taking the time, showing me the cars. Had a really good time. If you like this video, hit the like, subscribe, check these guys out on Facebook, on YouTube, and like I say, any bits you need for minis, anything to get rid of chrome, as well as some additional parts, like I say, like the spoilers that we've seen. Check it out, it's killallchrome.co.uk.
That's correct, yeah.
Ace. Well, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.